Hi, I'm Dylan with Vmake and welcome back. It's really challenging to grab people's attention at the beginning of a video. Picture this. You've got a great video idea, the content is solid, but at the start, there's nothing that grabs attention. People scroll right past before they even hear what you have to say. No hook, no chance to keep them watching. Frustrating, right? That is exactly why we built Vmake's visual hook tool. Now, this isn't just some random effect slapped into your video. Vmake lets you create dynamic visual hooks, earth, balloons, wings, flying, all in just one tap. It's eye-catching, engaging, and made to stop the scroll. So let's jump into how to utilize this on the app. So to add your visual hook to your video in Vmake, open up the app. As it opens, you're going to see at the top, create talking videos. Select that and select the video you'd like to add a visual hook to. So for me, it's my most recent one where I'm talking about the guitar. I'm going to select start at the bottom. And then it's going to firstly automatically add captions and determine the key points in my video. Then I'm going to trim my video clip. So I've trimmed the start and I'm going to trim the end by dragging and dropping the clip. Once I've trimmed the clip, I'm going to add my visual hook. So I simply select to the left of my clip, AI hook, tap add once, then it's going to give me visual hooks and title hooks. I'm going to add in a visual hook. Now I can choose from all of the array of ones here: angel wings, earth zoom, figurine, fire hands, invisible, flying, bubble. So for me, I'm going to try figurine. I'm going to select it, I'm going to select generate, I'm going to agree, and then it's slowly going to create this hook for me. So now the AI hook has been complete. I can see right there it says add. I'm going to select the tap add button. I'm going to be showing you how to play my favorite song on the guitar. So no my acoustic way. guitar ready. That is so good. And there you have it. My video has gone from a plain talking sit down video to a real coming to life, coming out of the mist to give you and deliver content, which I think on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, anywhere on social media, it really stands out. I'm going to be showing you how to play my favorite song. The best thing about it as well is the fact that it took one tap. From here I simply select save at the top and I select to export it in 1080p or 4K, whatever my choice is. So there you have it, you've transformed your video with Vmake in a click with one tap. But what if you wanted to do this as well on the desktop as well as the app? Simply go to vmake.ai. Once it opens this, sign in and it will bring you up to the workspace. This is exactly what it looks like. So to create another amazing visual hook, you'll see in the middle here it says visual hook new. Select that. Then select hook generation. And this is where we can generate a video or upload our content. So I'm going to select upload. I have a pre-recorded video from earlier talking about my acting tips. It's going to upload onto the software. I'm then going to trim my video clip. And I'm going to select that I would like angel wings on my clip. I'm going to select next, and there are several different visual hooks you can choose from as we talked about before. And then in terms of template, I'm going to select the thermal template at the top, right there, AI Magic template. I'm then going to select generate UGC hook. It's going to begin that process. And then just like that, the video is ready. I've got the plain version, and then I've got the styled video. Let's take a look. Now, my favorite thing to do whenever I'm out and about is to find the correct Now, my favourite thing to do whenever I'm out and about is to find the correct... Absolutely fantastic. Now in summary, in just one tap with Vmake's visual hook tool, you get high quality, professional effects that fit seamlessly into any scene. It's fast, efficient and perfectly tailored for that of an AI talking videos editor. Make your content more efficient and engaging without any extra effort with Vmake.
Download the Vmake app or go to vmake.ai to start editing instantly.